Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Simply Seronia back with another video. I scare my dog. But today's video is going to be a little bit different from all of my other videos. Today I'm going to be trying to talk through my videos. All my OG subscribers, y'all already know I hate doing this type of video only because I talk so much and I get distracted and I start to like ramble. Kind of like what I'm doing now, but I'm going to try to keep it under control for this video. And I'm going to try to keep it like this, you know, one-on-one talk type of situation. No voiceovers because I'm back and I want to do something different. So let's get into the video. So I already got on my cap. I'm not going to do a bald cap because I don't know, I really haven't been doing bald caps lately because I only keep my wig on for like 2 or 3 days. If you know, you know. And I take it off. So I like to use one layer of glue, and also I don't like to do the bald cap method because I could reuse my caps all I want if I don't do the bald cap method. I'm starting to ramble. Okay. So I got this old wig. I got it from Alipearl. They sent it to me a while ago. I'm gonna put a link right here of where you can find the original video of how I styled this wig. Today I'm gonna be doing something totally different. I can't remember the details of this wig. I know it's a straight frontal 13x4 wig. It's 13x4 all the way across, but phew, I don't wear this wig so much that my lace is starting to go a little bit trash, which is why I got the idea to do this video, because when you got some good hair, you just want to keep using it. So that's what I'm about to try to do. I'm about to keep using it until I can't use it no more, which inspired my hairstyle that I'm trying today. I'm putting it on so I can show y'all how my lace looking. Don't come for me, because I don't come for y'all sometimes. So this how Miss Mamas is looking. Yeah, she need a whole new thing. Anyway, like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. I'm already like 4 minutes in, so I just want to keep going and not make this video super long. So I'm just going to take one of my wipes and I'm going to clean this makeup off my hairline. I don't want to repeat stuff because, like I said, I got so many videos of me doing like installs and stuff that I don't really want to repeat myself because I know that get aggravated. But I'm taking this makeup off because I want it to stick to my skin. Like I said, I like using one layer of glue, and to make sure that I'm actually melted, I'm just gonna make sure I clean my forehead and get all of that extra makeup off. Now that I got my hairline nice and clean, I'm just gonna take my Bold Hold Skin Protect and I'm just gonna put that all over where I took the makeup off to make sure that I don't sweat my wig off fast and it actually holds. As y'all saw from the last clip, I blow dried my hairline. You just want to make sure that it's completely dry, because this stuff here, if it's not dry and you put this on, it's literally gonna ball up like bubble gum. Oh, good example. So you know how like when you leave your cap off and then you got glue around here and you got to pull it off? That's literally what it's gonna do if it's not dry, because it's doing its job. Like, so just make sure it's dry before you put your lace glue on. But the next step is to put your lace glue on. I am gonna take this Bold Hold Active for oily skin because your girl be over here glistening because her skin is too oily, and this worked so good. When I put on my lace glue, I like to put literally a little bit. A little bit could take you a long way, honestly. Most people, they like to put a lot on their hairline and it's just not cute. You can see it packed up and it's just not cute. It's not a look. It also make it harder to spread, which is why you see really good stylists, or I'm not gonna say good stylists, you see more seasoned stylists or just stylists who actually pay attention. You will see them do a little bit of lace glue and then they'll just completely rub it in. You want to move kind of quickly. It took me a minute to actually find something to rub this glue in. So it's kind of dry, but you never want to let the glue dry in clumps like this on your skin. So I'm trying to hurry up and rub it in. Oh, it dried so fast because of the skin protectant I put on, because it's supposed to keep you from having a moist hairline. It dried, and hopefully this dry clear. I was taking forever to find something to smooth it in. I swear, when I be looking for something, it be right there in my face too. That's the worst part. It be right there in my face. This time I'm not gonna do one layer. I'm gonna do 2 layers just because it dried faster than I could find something to smooth it in with. So I'm just gonna do 2 layers because this first layer is not gonna do nothing for me. Alright, so I have the second layer on. Sorry if my chair keeps squeaking. I don't know why my chair's so squeaky. And I'm doing my HD lace installs because this is HD lace. I don't know if I mentioned that, but if I didn't, make sure you go watch my last video where I did this install so you can see the hair from the beginning. Anyway, yeah, when I'm doing my HD lace installs, I don't like to put makeup on the inside of my cap. I learned that because it gets really cakey when you do that because the lace is so thin. So it's like supposed to look like your skin. So I like to not put makeup on it until I already have it installed. I'm not gonna smush the lace in yet. I just want to size it first, then I'm gonna smush it in, but I have to hurry up because I'm not doing a lot of layers because I'm not keeping this wig on for long. Yeah, can y'all believe this wig is like stuck down already? Like, huh? Now I'm just gonna cut off all this extra lace that I have because I don't need it. I hate when people lace be on their eyebrows. I don't want to be one of those people, so. I still got a little bit of lace that still haven't been glued down, but I'm not gonna add no glue because, like I said, I don't want to put a lot of lace glue because it's not gonna be on my head that long. So I'm just gonna take my spritz and then I'm gonna take my Seronia Styles edge band and I'm gonna wrap it down and let the edge band do the magic. This lace gonna be melted. Brr. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair off camera just to stretch it out and prep it for the style. I just removed the edge band. This is how it look. It's melted, it's strong, it's good enough. It's good enough. So I'm gonna get to the styling process. Yeah, this hair is so long. I haven't had long hair in so freaking long. So I'm just gonna use my hair wax stick and my hot comb just to slick all of my hair back. I'm gonna skip over my bang because I don't want my bang to be stiff. So I'm not gonna put no wax on that part. Oh, but look at this lace. Yeah, I remember I said I didn't put no foundation because it makes it cakey. Like, this is no foundation. Like, huh? But I need to get into this bang. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I'm really nervous about cutting this bang. I haven't cut bangs on myself in a minute. If y'all sometimes see me staring off, it's because I'm also recording a TikTok and an Instagram reel. Follow me on TikTok, road to 20K per, and follow me on Instagram as well. All of that information will be down in the description box. I might add it on the screen, I don't know. Anyway, I know y'all be on both, so go ahead and add me, follow me. Still not gonna put any wax stick on my bang. I'm just gonna hot comb it down. I just know I'm gonna burn my forehead trying to get this thing flat. I just know. So I need to focus on getting this part flat. This frontal did come pretty thick, so, and I don't feel like plucking. So I'm just gonna take my spritz and I'm gonna spray it all over the hair that I wanna get flat. It's the sizzling for me. So I can see that this side is way thicker and fuller than this side, so I'm just gonna go in and plug this out a little bit because I don't want to be looking crazy. Even though I'm gonna have this wig on for a couple days, I still don't want to be looking crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm done plucking. I did some plucking on this side and I also did some plucking on this side. It was a little bit of sizing issue on this side, so hopefully my cap don't show when I do this style. But I'm a finesser, y'all already know that, so I'm about to finesse it. But before I move on to my bang, the bang is gonna probably be the last thing I do. I'm gonna do my edges, then I'm gonna slick it back, and then I'm gonna do my bang and probably straighten it. I really want some extra fluffy baby hair, so I'm just using hairspray to hold it down instead of something sticky. So this is how my baby hairs are looking now. I'm not really like a fan of using this Got To Be. I usually use my regular Got To Be, but I don't have any. I literally just ran out on my last client. So I'm trying to work with this, but it's drying fast and it's starting to like not lay my baby hairs down. So I'm gonna try to speed through this and then I'm gonna tie it down just so I can get the look I'm going for. So this is what the finished product of my edges look like. Yeah, they kind of giving or whatever. But now I'm just gonna slick this thing back, put it in a ponytail, and work on this bang. I'm nervous about this bang, but I'm not even gonna get into it right now. I'm focused strictly on my ponytail. So I pulled out the front part, or the part that's just gonna be in the ponytail. I separated that, and I'm just gonna wax stick the back down. I'm not gonna put it all the way down because I don't want no stiff hair, but I want to slick it down so I don't have to worry about it being like lumpy and bumpy and stuff underneath my ponytail. You can see the sizing issue right there, but we're gonna finesse it. Okay, for this part I'm probably gonna be like looking off camera a lot. I apologize, but I can't see my viewfinder with my ring light right here close enough to, like, you know, hide this part, and that's really important. So if you see me looking off camera, then that's why. So I finally got that sleek ponytail that I was trying to get. She's finally done. So I'm just gonna work on my bang. Yeah, when I say I'm so nervous, like I'm legit like nervous. I haven't cut my own bangs in too long. Y'all, I'm so nervous to cut these bangs because I don't even have my shears. I'm gonna just cut it long, so. Look at that, ain't she cricket? These scissors are mad hard to cut with, but I'm just gonna go in and thin it out a little bit. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm not 100% feeling the bangs, but I'm like not mad at them either in a way. I'm just not a bang type of person. What I'm about to try to do now is thin it out. I'm gonna try to pluck it, but if it's too much to pluck, then I'm just gonna cut it with my scissors. I don't want to pluck the top layer of my bang at all, or my long hairs. So I'm just gonna take that part out, kind of separate it. Okay, now I have my parts separated, so I'm just gonna start plucking. It kind of don't really matter where I pluck from, just because the whole bang is thick. It's not just one side that's thicker than the other, so I'm just gonna pluck all over. All right, this is what the bangs are given. It's kind of sticking to my forehead, so you can't really see what it look like because it's getting hot up in here, and I was stressing about these bangs. But I'm gonna leave them alone for now. I might touch them up later, but right now I'm just gonna move on. For this ponytail, I'm just gonna put it in a ball, messy ball. And if y'all don't know who this hairstyle is inspired by, it's inspired by Latoya Chung Smith, also known as the Chung effect. That's my girl. She like hair inspo for life. But the last thing I gotta do is straighten this hair, and that'll be the end of this video. So y'all know I'm always working smarter and not harder. So what I'm gonna do is just take some big chunks and I'm just gonna straighten like that. I'm not gonna straighten in small sections because it's getting late outside and I'm tired. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and head to the description box where you can find my social medias and a promo code for this wig. Okay, bye.